Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. So I am going to be opening my Ipsy bag. I do not know what month this is. Once I open it, I will let you know. But I know I've been slacking on this, so I wanted to do this one since I haven't opened it yet. Like I said, I don't remember what month this is, so. But let's see together. And if you are not familiar with what Ipsy is a beauty makeup subscription. Every month it's about $14 a month or so. I think it just went up a few dollars, but every month they send you a sample size products, like maybe like 4 to 5 or 6 products based on when you sign up. You have to do like a survey, and then they send you things based on what you chose or what you want. And then afterwards, when you get it, then you take a survey after to say like how the products were. You rate the products and say like, do you want this again? Did it work out for you? So that they know how to do your bag for the next month. So, yeah, this is May. Makes sense. So May just finished. So this is May. And the theme is the Secret Garden. So this that it comes with, well, usually what it comes with, like usually inside it tells you what's inside your bag. I think this is what's inside my bag, but it just looks a different way. Usually it's just like it tells you all the products from top to bottom, but they have it like all over, made it look really pretty. So I think this is what I have, but let's see. So this is the bag. Every month is a different bag that relates to the theme. So like I said, the theme is the Secret Garden. So the bag is like a garden, flowers, floral, very pretty. So let's see. I love this primer. So this is from Milk Makeup, the Hydro Grip Primer. And I think I got it first from them, and that's why I think I got like a full size because I got from them and I really loved it. So this is Milk Makeup, but this is just a sample size. So I will be using it. So I'm gonna open it. And this is how the sample size looks. I really love this because it's not too sticky and it definitely helps the makeup hold. So it lives up to its name. It really does live up to its name, Hydro Grip Primer. So that's one. And then I also have, this is, I don't know what this is. Sorry, my phone keeps going to sleep. So this is a wet dry eye color, Serena. The brand is, I'm not really sure what the brand is. I don't really know what, I can't really decipher what this says. Rena Rebelled Serena Wet Dry Eye Color Serena palette. So that's this. Now let me open it. So this is the compact that it comes in. And these are the colors. So very like, definitely feel like if you just wanna, it has your neutral colors. That looks like blush, but it's not. It's eyeshadow, but you can use it as blush. And what I like about getting Ipsy products is that it works great if you just need like travel size products, because all these products are under the weight limit that you need. So if like you're going on a quick trip and you're just taking a carry-on, these are perfect for those types of trips. We have this. This is Nicole Miller perfume. So this is the bottle that it comes in. I just want to see how it smells. Smells good. It smells really definitely a going out perfume. Yes, I would definitely wear this to go out. And like I said, perfect for a travel size. This is, where's the ounce? 0.34 fluid ounces. So perfect when you need for a travel size. And then we have Luna Magic Foundation Powder. I'm not a foundation powder person. I prefer liquid, but let me show you how it looks. Can't even open it to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. This is the foundation powder. I'm not gonna lie, this just doesn't really look like my color. This is very light, and that's not my color. Yeah. Let's see if I can. Yeah, this is not. Yeah, this is not my color. Well, it kind of just blended in, but it's not a color that I would use. But this is, the color is tan. So that's that. And then this is What's Up Beauty Egyptian Liquid Lipstick, shade Unk. So let me see if I can open it to show you the shade. So this is like a nude color. If you want like a nude look. So, and it's a twist up. So this would be perfect for that. And like I said, this is also, I ripped off the cover and now I don't know what the ounces is, but I'm pretty sure it is, oh wait, it's so small, 0.12 ounces. So yes, 0.12 ounces. So like I said, this one was 0.10 ounces. And this was the powder, the foundation powder, 0.30 ounces. This is an eyeshadow palette. I think it's just an eyeshadow palette. Oh no, this is like a whole, wait, this month's palette with your introduction to roses. Oh, so I was actually right about this. So this is blush, this right here. Yeah, so you have your eyeshadow, you have your blush, and something here is supposed to be for lips, but yeah, they don't feel like anything for lips, and your eyeshadow as well. But I'm looking at it here. It says, Looks That Bloom this month's palette, which is this, will be your introduction to rosy lids, petal soft lips, and a flourishing flush. I don't know if they're talking about, yeah, they're talking about this, but I don't see which one will be for lips. Maybe I'm reading into it incorrectly, but this is definitely blush, and this I think is bronzer, or maybe this is bronzer. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But if you want me to let you know what it actually is, let me know, and I will definitely look into that. And then the perfume is 0.34 fluid ounces. And then the Hydro Grip Primer is 0.13 fluid ounces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like I said, 5 to 6 items. And like I said, perfect for travel.